Hello, my name is Andrea Joana Claros. Good afternoon. I'm going to talk you about San Pedro holidays, 15 June till 1st of July. I'm going to the park with my family. I'm going to the horse ride. I'm going to the rain with my friends. We are going to visit the Ensaiko streets to see Magdalena River and its own village typical food and village roads. I'm going to the go with my friends to tourist places as Playa Juncal and Riberas Termo. I am going to travel the 1st of July to Bogota City. Finish. Thank you.